Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys, and if you guys need to remove or replace serpentine belts, stay with us, we will explain how to do that. Practically you don't need to remove your engine to do that, but why we have the engine out? Simply because we'll be making hundreds of videos guys that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. So with the engine being out, we can show you everything with a great detail, where every bolt is located, for instance for the belt, the diagram and all that stuff. So stay with us and we'll explain guys how to remove and how to replace belt on Hyundai Santa Fe. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. This specifically guys, it's a 2013 engine out of a 2013 Hyundai 2.4 GDI engine. Now that engine has been used in multiple years Santa Fe, for instance from I think 2013 all the way to 2016 or 17 some markets. So looking at it now guys, okay, let's explain what we have here. This is the side of the engine, this is the passenger side, and if you look at it guys, okay, what we have specifically here for the serpentine belt, okay, it's not too complicated if you look at it. This is your crankshaft, right? Crankshaft is right here. Then from here you have the AC compressor, alternator. After that you have idle pulley. Idle pulley again. It goes to the water pump, and from water pump goes to the tensioner pulley, and from the tensioner pulley it goes to the crankshaft. So in order to remove it guys, we need to locate our tensioner pulley, and the tensioner pulley is this one, okay, right here. You need to get a 17mm socket guys, okay, and you need to go counterclockwise, okay, and once you do that you can grab the belt, okay, and you can just slide it out of the alternator. Okay, let me show you. You just pull it out, perfect. Then you can let off the pulley, and now you can simply go ahead and remove the belt. Okay, you can see like that. If you need to buy a new belt, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get new belt from. I'll recommend at that point for some of you guys to even inspect or replace the idle pulleys. This one is good, this one is getting bad. You can see it's getting loose and developing noise. Okay, the tensioner pulley is good, but sometimes they fail too. So if you're doing the serpentine belt, in my opinion guys, the best thing to go is with a belt, 2 idle pulleys and a tensioner pulley. And if you want to see the whole kit, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So let's explain now guys, okay, let's explain how to install that belt now. So you get a new belt guys, okay, and you're gonna go first on the crankshaft pulley. Let's do that now, okay. First you're gonna start on the crankshaft pulley. From there guys, okay, from the crankshaft pulley you need to go to the AC compressor. From the AC compressor you need to go up to the, okay, to the alternator, okay, right here. Then from there it goes to the idle pulley. From the idle pulley, okay, it's gonna go, okay, right here to this one, okay, and after that, okay, we'll need to go to the tensioner pulley, okay, right here in the middle. So now what I recommend, remove it from the, okay, remove it from top. You can do it from the alternator. Get it on the tensioner pulley. Okay, let's install it on that tensioner pulley. And now once you guys release the tensioner pulley by going okay, now clockwise, okay, check it out, we're going to install it on the alternator, okay, like that. Now that will be the point that you need to guys find out that all the canals, okay, everything is lining up. The belt, okay, is you can see it's actually where it's supposed to be, because if it's off by one canal, one tooth, what will happen? It will be destroyed, or it will come off. It can even destroy your your crankshaft seal, so you don't want that to happen. So that's how you guys remove and replace the serpentine belt. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.